Wondering how best to clean between your teeth? Start by choosing a tool that is adapted to your interdental spaces. If you want to balance efficacy and ease, interdental brushes and picks are probably your best bet. At least that's what most people say. Wondering which size is best for you? Look out for sample packs or ask your hygienist. You may need more than one depending on your interdental spaces. Interdentals should slide in with light resistance and fit comfortably but snugly between your teeth. You shouldn't have to push. To clean the entire interdental space, use a gentle back and forth motion. Don't forget your back teeth. What's great is some interdentals bend at the neck, making it easier to reach back there. Prefer an interdental pick? You can use the same technique. You probably didn't know this, but as you clean between your teeth, you're also massaging your gums. Great for stimulating blood flow. And trust us, cleaning between your teeth is the best way to remove interdental plaque and help prevent gum disease. Once you get into the habit, you'll be itching to use your interdentals every day. If you use interdental brushes, you should know that bacteria love moisture, so always rinse them and leave to dry standing. Look after your interdental brushes properly, and you'll be able to use them for up to 1 week. Wearing bridges, implants, crowns, or orthodontics? Interdental brushes are also for you. And if your teeth are tight, start out with a thin interdental pick or a fine floss. They easily slide between all teeth. Great! Now you're ready to clean between your teeth and take good care of your oral health every day.